Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious breakfast sliders, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is cook our hash browns, and they look like this. I'm just going to go ahead and spray my pan liberally with some cooking spray and put these in a 425-degree oven for approximately 20 minutes. These take the longest, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and cook them first. The second thing I'm going to cook is my bacon. And you guys, this is the easiest and the best way to cook bacon is on a sheet pan. So I have it lined with some aluminum foil, and I'm just going to put my bacon on there and pop it into the oven at the same temperature as my hash browns. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and cook my breakfast sausage, easy peasy. And the last thing I am going to cook is my scrambled eggs. I cracked 3 eggs in this bowl and added a splash of milk and whipped it up really nicely, as you guys saw me do earlier. I have about 2 tablespoons or so of butter in my pan here, and I'm just going to cook my eggs low and slow. To me, that is the best way to cook scrambled eggs. When you cook them really fast at a high temperature, the eggs can get a little tough, but when you cook them at a low temperature and constantly stir, the eggs to me come out a lot fluffier and silkier. And I always season at the end of cooking my eggs. I don't do it at the beginning. All right, so that is done. We are going to go ahead and start assembling our sliders. All right, so now I have some King's Hawaiian roll. This is the savory butter rolls. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are so good. I am just going to take a sharp knife here and cut down the middle, just like so. I have my baking dish here that I have sprayed liberally with some cooking spray. I'm going to go ahead and lay the bottom half of the rolls in the dish, just like so. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on the hash browns and then the scrambled eggs. Then the breakfast sausage. And by the way, if you guys wanted to use ground breakfast sausage for this, you can definitely do that. And then next, I'm going to add in my crispy bacon. And what is a breakfast sandwich without some ooey gooey American cheese? So I am putting 6 slices on top, just like so. And then I'm going to put the top back on. I have some melted butter here along with some parsley. I'm going to give that a good stir and brush the tops of my sliders. All right, you guys, so once that's done, I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven for approximately 10 minutes or so. You don't need to keep it in that long because everything is already cooked. You just want to melt that cheese and get some nice brownness on the top of our buns, just like you see here. And they look absolutely delicious, y'all. This was like the easiest recipe ever. But sometimes the easiest recipes are the absolute best. And I know you see some little hands on the side. That is my son. He is ready to eat these sliders, y'all. He asked me the day before for me to make these sliders for breakfast. So I had to come through for my baby boy. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice my sliders up so that I can serve them. But y'all, these were absolutely delicious. Just the best breakfast sandwich ever. I mean, you have the soft buttery rolls, you have the hash browns, you have the creamy eggs, the slight kick from the breakfast sausage, and the crispiness of the bacon. And then you have that cheese that brings everything together, y'all. This was so delicious. I thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you did enjoy, make sure you give me a thumbs up and share with a friend. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.